Hello everyone. So today's question is contiguous array, which appeared on Leetcode problem of the day on 16th of March 2024. The question number is 525 as of now. So we'll first go through the question, then we'll go through the methodology, the method which we'll solve it, and then we'll write code. So it will be 3 steps. So coming to the first step, it is saying that given a binary array nums, return the maximum length of contiguous subarray with an equal number of zeros and ones. So the condition is this: zeros and ones should be equal number of our contiguous array. So we have to find the maximum length of it. So my approach will be like that. Suppose this array is given. So 0 and 1 will be one contiguous subarray. 1 and 0 will be one contiguous subarray. So the length is 2. So the result will be 2. So suppose let's take an example. So suppose this array is given 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0. So my approach will be like that I'll use prefix sum and prefix sum along with hashing technique. So what I'll do first, I'll for making for prefix sum, what I'll do, I'll convert all the zeros to -1. So I'll replace all the zeros with -1. Okay, okay. I'll not replace, I'll convert zeros to -1, and I'll add all these values in the new array or you can say I'll put these values in my hash map. Okay. So suppose 1 and -1 become 0. So what does it signifies? That this is one contiguous subarray. Okay. So suppose 1 is here and again 1 is repeating after this sum. So what does it signifies? That the ith index, suppose 0 1 and 2, one index and second index is also one contiguous subarray, because this sum is repeating, this sum is equal, so 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So here we can also see that here the sum is 1 is also repeating at fourth index. So we can conclude that here is also, you can see here is also one contiguous subarray is happening. Okay. So okay, so after this, wherever the repetition is happening, we'll put that into our result array, into our result integer, so that we can find the maximum contiguous subarray. So here we can see our possibility that here also this will be our one contiguous subarray. Okay, the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, not 7, basically we'll subtract it 1. So here is also a possibility. Okay, so this is how we'll solve it. We'll put all the sum into our hashing map along with its index. So that if any index, so if any this ones and ones are repeating, then we can subtract it and find the maximum contiguous subarray length. Okay, this will be my approach. So let's begin our question. So we'll initialize our data type int, and we'll initialize our sum. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll create our hashing int comma int. Okay, now we'll iterate it through our array nums. Okay, okay, now what we'll do, we'll convert all our zeros into 1. So listen carefully. Now what will we do, we'll use ternary operator, and we'll do the sum with every iteration. We'll do the sum with every iteration and put that in hashing map. Okay, now see it carefully. Okay, so so and we'll so okay, so now we'll do our sum. Okay, sum. Okay, now we'll use our ternary operator. See this carefully. Not we'll see that if the our array integer is is equals to 1. Okay, if it is 1, then we'll take it as 1 only. Okay, and if it is 0, then we'll put it as -1. Okay, now what will we do? So so what we'll do, if sum comes 0, suppose here the sum comes 0, so what we'll do, we'll take this, and sum comes 0, this means 1 and 0 pair we have found, so we'll directly put into our resultant integer. Okay, so if sum is equals to 0, okay, now we'll put into our resultant integer. Okay, why we have increased it by 1? Because the length is 2. Okay, this is initially case. Else, now what will we do? we'll we'll check if if that integer, suppose 1 is coming, so we'll check if 1 is existing in our in our hash map. Okay, in our map. Okay, so here we'll see that we are initializing, and we'll check if it existing. If it is not existing, then we'll insert it. So mp dot find mp dot find. So here we are at 0th index now. This is our edge case. uh, we'll not say edge case, but this is our one of our case, and now we are at 0th index, and we'll check if it is all, if it is present or not. If it is not present, okay, so mp dot end. Okay, yeah, why is my n not pressing? Okay, so if it's not present, then we'll what we'll do, we'll insert it. mp sum is equals to ith. Okay, so uh, this will be our else if case. There will be one more else case. Okay, okay, now if it is present, if we are able to find the sum already in our array, okay, in our hash map array, so what will you do? Else a resultant, if it's already there is one resultant is present, then what we'll do, we'll take the max of it. Okay, comma the current ith index. Suppose this one is repeating. Okay, one is repeating here, one is repeating here also. So what we'll do, we'll take this index. So what will this index? 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 is there. Okay, 6 minus 0th index, so it will be 6. Okay, 6 minus, okay, we'll do it. So minus mp dot mp, and wherever it is repeating. Okay, so ith minus this. Okay, wherever it is repeating. Okay, so this will be our maximum. This will give us our maximum contiguous subarray. Okay, now we'll return it. I hope it works, है ना? Okay, now it's working. Let's test for other test case. Okay, so yeah, this is how we have done it. So I'll explain it again what we have done. So what we have done is that we have initialized our map. We have used our hashing technique, and with hashing technique, what we are doing prefix sum. Okay, so we are doing prefix sum here. Okay, this is our hashing. Okay, this is prefix sum. What we are doing here is that simply checking if if sum is equals to 0. Okay, है ना? And what here we are doing, we are inserting the prefix 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 sum along with, we are inserting the prefix sum along with index, array index, that is nums. I hope you have got it. Nums index. Okay. ठीक. उसके then we are inserting this. This it will happen at this line. So here we are. What we are doing at here, checking if it exists or not. Checking if the sum is present in our map, hash map. Okay. 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 Then what we are here doing? We are taking either maximum. We are taking here maximum of res and ith index minus already presented already present mp dot sum index. Okay. My n is not working, so this will be our approach and here will return. So I hope this is clear, and if you have any other question, then do type me in the chat. I'll hope I can answer it. Yeah, thanks for watching, and do like and share and subscribe. Yeah, your like means a lot to me. Thanks.